Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you step by step how to create your own Facebook avatar. It's super easy and fun, so make sure to watch this video till the end and do not forget to like this video. So let's get started. So friends, first open Facebook app on your mobile. Then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Then tap on the profile name section. Now scroll down and select Edit Public Details section and tap on it. Now select Create Avatar to Show on Profile section and tap on it. Now tap on the Create Manually section. Now select your skin tone. Here you will see many different skin tone. Choose the one that best matches your look. Then tap on the next button. Now select your hairstyle. You will see many different hairstyles. Choose the one that best matches your look. Now tap on the next button. Now select your face shape. Choose the one that best matches your look. Now tap on the next button. Now choose your body type. Select the one that suits you best. Then tap on the Continue button. Finally, tap on the Done button top of the right corner. Now tap on the Publish Avatar button. Just wait a moment. That's it, and it's successfully done. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.